You know what's the hardest season in life? Yung season na feeling mo tahimik si Lord. You're praying, you're trying, you're seeking, pero feeling mo parang walang sagot. Parang ang tagal and you ask yourself kung, Lord, nandiyan ka pa ba? But you know what I learned? God's silence doesn't mean He's absent. Sometimes the teacher is also silent during the test. Parang ganun din yung mga teacher natin. During the test, they are silent. Not because he left, but he just wanted to see how much of his lessons yung natutunan natin. It's so easy for us to say, Lord, I trust you. But you know what? The real trust is during the time na hindi mo talaga siya nararamdaman. No goosebumps, no answered prayer yet. Ang meron ka lang faith. Yung faith na kahit hindi mo nakikita, alam mong gumagalaw pa rin siya. Kasi minsan gusto niya lang makita kung paano mo siya pagkakatiwalaan during that seasons. Because that's where maturity begins. Remember si Lazarus, when he was sick, they called Jesus. But Jesus came 4 days late. Siguro, late sa mga mata ng tao, but it's just the right time for God. Kasi if Jesus came right away, Lazarus would have just been healed. Pero since nga late si Jesus dumating, Lazarus was resurrected. See the difference? Delays doesn't mean denial. Sometimes, God delays your answers so He could increase your testimony. So, if you're in that season right now, the waiting, the silence, the, Lord, bakit parang wala ka? Remember this, you are not being ignored. You're just being prepared. God is just strengthening your patience, deepening your trust, and growing your roots before He shows the fruits. You have a strong foundation. Kung puno ka, hindi ka basta-basta mauuga. Keep praying, keep believing, keep trusting the process even when it's quiet. Because you know what? When the silence breaks, you'll realize that He was just speaking all along. Yun nga lang, in a different way. So when God feels silent, that's not the end of the story. Doon mo pa nga makikita kung gaano nakalalim yung faith mo eh. Doon din makikita ni Lord yung level kung paano mo isusurrender sa Kanya lahat-lahat. That's also where your faith start to speak louder than your fears.